Hi everyone, Tesla Toybox here. I'm reluctant to call this an install review type of video because I basically followed zero instructions and only ended up using half of the product. I didn't use the footwell since I already have ambient lights installed and just thought they'd be overkill. I started by taking out the panels on the driver's side since it's where I wanted to hide all of the cables. One quick tip, for the panel right below the A-pillar, make sure you pull it out from the top side since it hooks in from below. Breaking that little hook can leave the piece flimsy and that would suck. The other piece can be simply pulled out since it just clips in. For the center console piece, move the seat all the way back first in order to give yourself some extra room to work with. I unclipped the bracket from right to left because it hooks in on the bigger side. After undoing the clips, you can simply pull the panel towards you and it'll slide right out. Here's a quick look at what the center console skeleton looks like, as well as the panel clips and hook. After attaching the 3M tape to the light strip, which is by far the worst part of this install, I cut a small piece near the start of the panel, making it easier for the lights to fit completely flush. One negative issue I ran into is the fact that this tape didn't stick at all. I don't think it'd be an issue if you had a wooden dash, but I had no luck with it. My counter to the tape dilemma was stretching the light strip as tight as I possibly could, and after cutting a hole again on the other side, then reattaching the covers, the strips fit perfectly and haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. As you watch me struggling to attach the light strip to the panel, I'll just say, I really hope you're enjoying the video. And if interested in seeing more in the future, please subscribe to the channel. I'm having an absolute blast making these. After cutting the optical fiber, I left quite a few inches of leeway so I could have more room to work with while trying to hide the cables. Once you're ready to attach the light source to the strip, cut the flat piece out about an inch, only leaving the circular tubing. I tucked the cable behind another set of cables that'll be guided along the way. Once tucked in, you can attach the light source. Make sure you screw it on really tight. After attaching the light source, I started tucking the cable behind the door rubber. I did it along the side all the way down the floor towards where the seat is. By lifting one of the panels, you can tuck the cable in and it'll be seamless. Once finished there, I moved on to the center console. After measuring it, I cut two identical pieces. I used the pry squeegee looking tool in only a couple spots. You can mostly attach it with just your hands. After doing the same for both sides, I moved on to the back seat. Same process as the center console. I measured around the seat, making sure I had enough cable, and then cut two identical pieces. Back seats do require 3M tape, and this time the light strip stuck on perfectly. Now my version of the install is complete, and all that's left is to turn it on. It's connected from the cigarette lighter port, which I had no idea was even there, and I've had the car for 5 years. Mind blown. The lights can be controlled via the app, and it's got quite a few features such as jump, breathe, flash, and gradient, as well as the ability to create something completely custom. It's capable of adding pretty much any color you can think of. That'll be it for this video. If you have any questions at all regarding my install shenanigans, just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later.